I am going to talk to you about the error codes of a Kenwood air conditioner. The F7 error code has appeared on the display. Friends, the F7 code appears on the display of a Kenwood air conditioner when the ambient temperature sensor, also known as the room temperature sensor, becomes faulty. That's when the F7 error code will be displayed. Let me show you where this sensor is located and what it looks like. So it is installed on the PCB and it's connected to the yellow connector that you can see. The room temperature sensor looks something like this and is attached to the evaporator with a clip. Now, let's talk about the next error code, which is F8. Let me explain why the F8 error appears on the display. This error occurs when the pipe coil sensor becomes faulty or short-circuited. Let me show you where it is located and what it looks like. It is connected to the red connector that you can see, and the pipe coil sensor looks like this. This sensor is directly attached to the evaporator, and it is installed in the area indicated by the arrows you see. Now I will talk about the next error code, which is F6. This error code indicates a motor feedback fault. It means that the motor is not providing feedback to the circuit. Here, you can see the connector through which the motor operates, and it is also installed on the PCB. This is the feedback connector, which establishes the feedback connection between the motor and the PCB. If this point becomes faulty, the F6 error will be displayed. Similarly, if the motor itself becomes faulty, the F6 error will also appear. Click on the left or right thumbnail to watch our next videos and subscribe. Thank you.